All right, to install the final spacer, when you install it, you want to make sure that it comes to about the bottom of the radius on the keyway here. So here's the bottom radius. Spacer should go here. At that point, your balance disc washer goes on, and then you can install your pump shell. All right, before installing your bearing holder, install your balance disc key, your balance disc, flat washer, and nut, and then and snug up the nut on the top. From here, you want to make sure you can lift the shaft up, and you want to make sure that it'll fall down below your gauge block. As long as you get travel above your gauge block and below your gauge block, your end spacer height should be pretty accurate. Now you can loosen the nut. Put your bearing holder back in. Balance disc hardware. Tighten the nut back up. And last thing you want to be able to do is raise the shaft up with the bearing holder still in, which we can do here. If you can do that, and your shaft should be relatively close to the height of your gauge block underneath, everything should be good with the pump assembly, and you should be able to finish putting the discharge assembly back on and installing the pump.